could have worse. So me a search your happiness.
So yeah, day 7. You know what I say? So if you've been keeping up, you know, so we go shop. We do the whole wedding. Yesterday was the wedding, and right now, today we're there still in Edmonton. You know what I say? We're going to the Edmonton Mall. And to my knowledge, one of the biggest malls in Canada. Have a water park, skateboard, you have hotel in the mall. And what else I'm saying at the mall? You have a hotel in the mall. You have about 4 food court. Somebody supposed to have bus the corner right now. I drive for that same way. Sergi always on time. You always on time, you know?
Always on time.
Nobody else not ready yet, so. So what's the facts about the mall? Biggest mall? Not in Canada, but in Edmonton.
What's the biggest what?
No, the mall that we're going, is it the biggest?
The biggest.
In Canada or
in
just
Canada.
Edmonton?
Canada.
Yeah?
Has a water park, has a casino.
Casino?
Yeah, it has a roller coaster.
Crazy. Alright. It's a good look, you see me, but stay tuned still. I'm going to put to the phone until I reach at the mall. I probably show you a small clip of the road still, but the mall is the way to go. I'm going to show you that mall. It's my very first time, so I could see it together now.
Man used to hungry every tick of the clock.
Listen, you guys are sheep, so you guys stay inside.
Whoa, pimp daddy. Yeah.
Allah, awkward, don't
Johnny O'Hire.
Allah, Annette.
I'm going to get her a kiss.
She's trying to kiss you.
How are you going? Monday, good? Yeah, man. Everybody out. Morning. Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
You guys already ate?
You didn't come to the mall as yet, huh?
No, it's first time, so I want to see what I go on. See me have video.
No, did they actually They couldn't.
Good? Good? Yeah, man. Body out.
David, you didn't get the jacket? Actually.
Body out.
A long time. You good? Bless, man. You know everything. Love. Hold on, brother. You good? Of course, man. Love.
You live in Edmonton?
No, bad man, you know.
You live in Edmonton?
You recognize me.
He doesn't know him.
You serious? So yo. Yeah, you know? Yo. Man, them just spot a brother outside and heal up the man as if they know him for a long time. And I said, no. Seriously, I say you're going to them place and you see a next black man or a next colored person, as they call it. You have to treat them as if you know them. You know what I say? They're in an urban planet. How would you? You know the thing about flip the camera and I couldn't see what I go on, man.
West Edmonton Mall, you know.
West Edmonton, who?
Biggest mall in Canada, you know.
Everything I gonna make sense soon. Take a band-aid and put it over the wound. Tell them yellow moon. Well.
It's time of my name.
Yeah, we up, yeah.
That's rich. Google guy.
Yeah, we up.
Excuse me.
They never know say we up like so.
Yankee boy.
Carry, imagine Ferrari. That make your better girl want to your party. Well low.
All skyline to
Faith,
private jets,
strong mind,
cruise ship.
confident, push forward, get to you.
Chew it with your mouth open.
What?
Adrian, you have to try this guy.
You don't get peeled.
Nitrogen
There's a
gang.
dip for it. Ow, it's so cool. You said to dip it in here.
Frost max, higher than a plane, higher than medium house top. Frost box, weed a bust inna me brain, rum inna me damn head top. Frost box.
Oh, you need dip in this. Man, this stuff. Try with the dip though.
Oh, it like melts it. Bubbles it.
Holy shit. She say smoking? Yo, it's really cool.
Why does it bubble when it goes in there? That's so cool.
Yo, I feel like my teeth are cramp out. Respect.
Hey, you didn't try it yet? Try it. Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Oh, wow.
It's on hold. She's
Dip it
checking
in
the
here.
room.
You see
It's
your
not
reaction.
smoking, where is it?
You see your reaction.
They're so cool. It tastes like nothing. It's just a smoke.
Yo, I wish if I could have experienced this for myself. And I feel like everything, you know, man. They say you can't share with them something here because you can't watch somebody. Place nice. Galaxy Land, Jamir. I go bring you come to Galaxy Land, my boss. No one say about love in your say, you know, man. This is actually indoor. All of this.
I love my life. 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 I love my life.
None of we don't know where tomorrow might bring, but the future the hours away. So me I live my life today. Me I live my life today. Yeah.
Every day,
Realest thing me heard in a while, brother.
we give thanks.
For real.
You spend all that money on your watch. How much time you spend with your son? So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings.
I link up back with the artist again. BQ,
What do I want to eat?
the artist himself.
But I gotta be honest, a lot of people acting like they keep it 100. But then you do the math, see the way that they spun it. You can have the love, I can see you don't want it. I don't really do this to appeal to the public. Bigger than the feeling that you feel in your stomach. Break it down and you could even see that I love it. Yeah. And it's like that. Depression is a bitch, gotta fight back. Don't hold it in your mind, it'll bite back. So if you wanna talk, then I'll write right back.
Yo, just want to quote the man and just put on my phone. But it's so hard to. Because everything just lit. Virtual shift boy. Oh, mini potting. I'm actually sick at this game still. But this is nice. Right now, a mini pot. So mini potting is basically golf, but you know, a smaller version of it. Very fun game. Yo. Some life out there for man live. I can't stop saying that. Some life out there for live people. Keep on the head up. Don't say we have to work hard because them things we have to experience some something. Yo man, to experience some something, you know. I'm not going to have this and go look some food.
Yeah, shawarma. How you doing? I'm gonna do is want to get shawarma. You ever try shawarma? Yo, Lou.
I'm eating Mediterranean. Chicken and beef, you see? Jack Sparrow over there. What kind of show?
It's a seal show, a sea lion show.
I'm thinking of one. Yeah, man.
Do you need David's hand? Get it. I enjoy it.
Open up bus, man.
Have fun. Get Davis to come help you.
Go!
I told you to say
Trust me.
I don't really have anxiety issues, you know, but I want you. I already speak for you now.
Black people in the ice.
Alright, wait. Where my man did it?
Babe, this guy's just skating. Oh my god, look at it. Look at you. Hey, you're a nigga. I'm even better.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. I told you, homeboy, can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know, can't touch this.
Sorry, guys.
Yo, real talks, bro. Like, that was tough still, you know, because, you know, it's true, my first time still, bro, you see? You know, our head still, man, you see it, everything good, man. Watch out. Yo, yeah, man. Ready up in the brother. I got this, man. Watch this now.
3-time U.S. Men's Champion, World Bronze Medalist, and this year's United States Men's Bronze Medalist, ladies and gentlemen,
First ice skating experience, and as you saw, I had a few falls, a lot actually, but it was good. Everybody there, so they have a lot of cheerleaders upstairs. You feel me? I say, but overall, good. I like it. Would I do it again?
Yo, first time not killing the skates.
This is the general at it. And fire. Yeah, man. So you know the thing where the man them bad skater them. Bad skater them.
That boy there walking on water. Solid water. Yo. Thank you for watching GaampTv. Shout out to my boy Adrian. Been a supporter since day one. Always held it down. I'm here to show love back. So you'll be seeing a lot of this face.
Yeah, man. And a lot of the music too.
Hey.
Feel like Shavar, get used to the name. Feel me, I say? Sickest, is it safe to say Persian rapper?
Yeah.
Sickest Persian rapper. You feel me, I say?
But I rap in English. I can't rap in Farsi, so don't get excited, Iranians.
Alright.
But if you got any Iranians that know how to spit Farsi that want to do a feature, I'm down for that. Singers, anything.
Up. Man, them.
Wagwan.
Yeah, man. Up.
Alberta.
Canada,
Ice skating. Take one big drop. Look for my pants wet.
Yo.
I got myself from the side.
Yeah, man. I'm a wallet sore right now.
It's all good though.
Yeah.
You live once. YOLO.
Real talk. Up move. Up. I gotta log off. I think that's it for the day.
If I take a shot, then I'm landing. Never enough, should've abandoned the plan. I've been dealing with some damn pain. You have